इंग्लिश 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 क्या इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है? If you are also thinking like this, so listen carefully. Yes, my friend, it is important. It is important for you. It is important for your life. It is important for your present. It is important for your future. It is very important for you. English, it is not a only language. It's a box of opportunities. If you have this skill, then you can grab all the opportunities, whatever will come in your life. If you are a student who is just thinking, I can easily live my whole life without having a knowledge about English language, then it is a very big mistake from you, whatever you are doing. Some of you will think, I can easily live my life without having a knowledge about English language because there are a lot of works which is available in without English. And there is no need to have a knowledge about English language. We can easily do that. Yes, my friend, you can do that. But it means if you are just ready, if you are ready for that to do those type of works, okay, it means, and it is showing like you don't have something big dreams in your life. You are still thinking and you are just you want to like live your life like your ancestors were living, and you are also out of them. Because of that, you don't have any big dreams in your life, and you are like you are ready to do the same work whatever they had been doing those things. Okay, if you are just thinking, so stop it, my friend. Now you have opportunity, you have time, you have energy, and you have all the thing in this time. Then why you are not trying to accumulate all the thing? Why you are not trying to do your best? Why you are not trying to improve yourself? And why you are not trying to become a better version of yourself? And why you are not trying to transform your life? It is only possible for you when you will dedicate for yourself, when you will be ready to upgrade yourself, when you will be ready to do something extraordinary in your life. That is the only way to do those things. You should be aware with yourself that everything, like how it is important. Just look it in your phone. Like everything, you will find everything in this language. And as well as like after this, you will think, and Hindi language is also available. So stop it, my friend, and just stop making excuses and just be aware. Just get out from your comfort zone, and you will find all the thing, how the world is just going on, how the world is changing too fast, and you are stuck at where you had been once upon a time, and you are also and still at that place because you are not trying to improve and you are not trying to do something different. You have a friend circle like this, like they are also doing the same thing. Because of that, you are doing all the thing, okay, and you are not because your mind is not developed like that, like you can think about those things, like how like what should I do different to become a better version of myself and to become different. Because of that, you are not able to think like that to how can you become a different. My main purpose is that I'm just only trying to make you aware from this, okay, like how it is important English language, and just try to learn this and just try to have the knowledge in this language. Okay, there are almost every beginners and there are everybody who has this problem. Like before going to learn this language, they are thinking and they are still thinking like it is a very tough language, and how can I do this and how can I learn this? Because they are thinking this language is only made for those people who is just fully smart and who's like a special. This is only made for them, and because of that reason, they are not trying to learn this. They are not even trying to be and to have a knowledge. Okay, because of that. So listen, my friend, I'm speaking without no filters, and whatever I have faced and whatever I did in my journey, I'm just trying to tell you that all the thing, and I'm just trying to tell you the conclusion about my journey. Okay, listen, if I can speak this language, then you can also speak. Just remember this, and there is nothing like that you can't do it. Okay, and it is not a rocket science and it is not a difficult. You can easily do that, and English language is only demands practice. If you are doing practice daily basis, then it will become very helpful for you to learn this, to do this. Okay, so that's all about this. I hope now you will try to do that, and now you are aware for your life. That's all for that.